If you give a second grader a cookie, a collaboration between Miss Nipper's seventh graders and Miss Reed's second graders.
If you give Chase a cookie.
Written by Jacob Bray and illustrated by
Chase Tokash. If you give Chase a cookie, he will ask for more. If you do not give him more cookies, he will throw a fit for some more cookies. Once you give him some more, he will stop asking for more. Next time you see Chase, he will ask for even more cookies. If you say no, he will go running back to his house. An hour later, he is hungry again. He decides to play soccer outside. He feels like he has no energy, so he goes back inside for a snack. He will start playing video games. He goes back down for some milk. Chase wants a cookie. About the illustrator. Did you know that Chase Tokash loves cookies? His mother said he is average, cute, and always hungry. So maybe make a whole lot of cookies for him?